A planet has twice the mass of Earth and 3 times the radius of Earth, then its escape velocity of planet is. And v is given as escape velocity on Earth. So we know the equation for escape velocity, which is equal to root of 2gm divided by r. So we can write this escape velocity is basically directly proportional to root of m and by inversely proportional to root of r. So we can write the escape velocity on that planet by escape velocity on Earth's surface will be equal to root of mass of that planet divided by mass of Earth into under root of radius of Earth divided by radius of that planet. Now, according to the question, it is given that planet has twice the mass of Earth, so which we can take it as 2 times of mass of Earth divided by mass of Earth into under root of and 3 times the radius of Earth. So we can take it as this is RE divided by 3 times of RE. So this radius of Earth get cancelled, mass of Earth get cancelled, so it becomes under root of 2 divided by 3. So we can write the escape velocity on that planet is root of 2 by 3 times of escape velocity on Earth's surface.